Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you are fine. So we study of chapter 1 is clear, and we study today exercise of chapter 1. We study the exercise of lesson 1. Lesson 1. First question. This exercise is only objective types questions. First question number 1. Which of the statements about the reactions below are correct? Question mark. 2 PbO solid condition में, in solid condition and carbon solid condition, arrow 2 Pb solid condition and CO2 in gas condition. So its option, its region, lead is getting reduced, carbon dioxide is getting oxidized, and carbon is getting oxidized, lead dioxide is getting reduced. So we study about this, which types of reactions and which region is produced in this process in 4 getting regions. So first, lead is getting reduced, lead is getting reduced because lead is oxygen, oxygen to lose, lead oxide to lose oxygen to form lead, so reduced. First option is right. And second point we study, carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. So carbon dioxide is obtained of oxygen, so oxidized. So its option is correct. So carbon is getting oxidized. So carbon is getting oxidized. Carbon only? No. So lead dioxide? No. So A and B. So option is 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. And we see question number 2. Question number 2. Fe2O3 and 2Al, arrow Al2O3 into 2Fe. 2Fe. The above reaction is an example of of combination reaction. First option, combination reaction. Second option, double displacement reactions. And decomposition reactions, displacement reaction. So iron is displaced. So iron is displaced. This option is wrong, this option is wrong, this option is wrong, only D option is correct. D option is correct. Question number 3. What happens when dilute? What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filling? Tick the correct answer. First option, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid? HCl and added to iron and iron filling and correct, hydrogen gas. So these reactions FeCl2 plus S2. So option is 1 correct, but all is wrong. I hope that these types of questions you be correctly solved. We see next of questions. And next question, question number 5. We solve the question number 5 exercise. Translate the following statements into chemical equation and balance them. Chemical equation and balance them. So we study first and we solve first question. First question here we solve. Hydrogen gas combines with nitrogen to form ammonia. Hydrogen gas combines with nitrogen to form ammonia. First, hydrogen gas symbol H2 in gas condition and combines with nitrogen and plus N2 in gas condition and form ammonia in gas condition. So balance, nitrogen is 2 but hydrogen is 6. And reversible reactions. Fe and molybdenum, this is catalyst, and 500 degrees Celsius 200 atm. We see hydrogen is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So hydrogen 2 into 3 is equal to 6, but nitrogen is 2. This is catalyst. Fe and molybdenum is catalyst. Fe is promoter and molybdenum is inhibitor. And temperatures 500 degrees Celsius and 200 atm. Pressure. So question number 1 is solved by these reactions. And second reaction we solve here. First, hydrogens we read carefully. Hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. So hydrogen sulfide gas, so its formula B. Solve. Hydrogen sulfide gas in gas condition, hydrogen sulfide gas formula H2S plus burns in air formula O2 and gives water. So we write water in gas condition and sulfur dioxide plus SO2 in gas condition. Sulfur dioxide formula SO2, water formula H2O. So we check and balance. So hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1, but oxygen is different. So we balance it 2. Hydrogen is 4, but sulfur is 2, and oxygen. Oxygen is 2 and 2 is equal to 2, 4 and 2, 3, 6. So oxygen is 6. So this reaction is balanced. So next, solve the next question. Next question, solve. We read, first up we read, barium chloride reacts with aluminium sulfate to give aluminium chloride and a precipitate of barium sulfate. And once again, barium chloride reacts with aluminium sulfate to give aluminium chloride, a precipitate of barium sulfate. So first of all we write its formula. Barium formula C. We solve C. C, barium chloride. Barium chloride formula BaCl2 plus react with aluminium sulfate, Al2SO4 whole thrice, and give aluminium chloride, AlCl3, and precipitate of barium sulfate, BaSO4, and its name is balance 3 and 3. So because SO4 sulfate is 3, so before of barium sulfate write 3 and barium is 3, aluminum is 2, so aluminum is 2, and chlorine is 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this reaction is balanced, correct. And other examples, others question solve. Next, potassium. We read, first up read, potassium metal react with water to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. First of all we write symbol D. Potassium metal react with water to give potassium hydroxide, to give KOH, potassium hydroxides, and hydrogen gas, and balanced 2 and 2. So potassium is 2, hydrogen is 4, 2 and 2, 4, oxygen is 2, so balanced. And next, we see exercise question number 6. Balance the following chemical equations. First, balancing, we check how to balance. First of all we write left hand side and right hand side of all number of atoms. First, condition. Hydrogen is nitrogen, oxygen, calcium. So hydrogen is 2 and 1. 3, nitrogen is 1, oxygen is 2, and calcium is, right, oxygen is 2 and 3, 5. Calcium is 1. In left hand side, hydrogen is 2, nitrogen is 2, oxygen is 3 into 2 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6 and 1, 7. And calcium is 1. So reactant and product, left hand side and right hand side is different. So we in balancing checking, but hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 1, and hydrogen is 2 and 3. So write oxygen is 6 and 1, 7. So hydrogen is right. Nitric acid, to write before, write 2. Hydrogen is 2 and 2, 4. Hydrogen, write 2 and 4. And oxygen 2, 6, 8. 6 to 8. Nitrogen is 2. So reaction is balance. Because hydrogen is 2 and 2, 4. Hydrogen is 2 to 4. And nitrogen is 2. Nitrogen is 2. And oxygen is 2, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 6 to 8. 6 to 8. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 2, 8. Oxygen is 8. And calcium is 1, and calcium is 1. So the reaction is balanced. So we write here reaction is balanced. And others example, sodium is 2 and sodium is 1. So write is sodium is 2 balance, and oxygen is 2 and 4, 6. So write 2, oxygen is 2 of 4, 6. Sodium is 2, but hydrogen is 2 and 2, 4. 2 into 4, sulfur is 1, Oxygen 4 or 2, 6. 4 or 2, 6. Balanced. So see in next sodium chloride, silver nitrate, silver chloride and sodium nitrate. It's already balanced. Barium chloride H2SO4 and barium sulfate is 2 balanced. 2. Barium is 1. Chlorine is 2. Hydrogen is 2. Sulfur is 1. Oxygen is 4. This is balanced. We solve the exercise question number 7. First of all, we read carefully. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions: calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide, arrow calcium carbonate and water. This is reactant and product. So we write and solve here question number 1. Calcium hydroxide, its formula calcium hydroxide, CaOH का whole twice, CaOH का whole twice and C carbon dioxide, right, CO2. Calcium hydroxide CaOH का whole twice and plus carbon dioxide CO2 arrow and calcium carbonate CaCO3 and water, and we check and balance. Calcium is 1, oxygen is 2 and 2 4, 3 and 1 4, carbon is 1, hydrogen is 2, this is balanced. And next topic, zinc B, zinc Zn, zinc symbol Zn, and silver nitrate AgNO3, silver nitrate's formula AgNO3, and zinc nitrate, zinc NON, zinc NO3 का whole twice and silver Ag, zinc, and 2 we balance 2 because zinc contain 2 positive charge and NO3 contain 1 positive charge, so NO3 contain 1 negative charge and 2 positive charge, so write in twice and balance is 2 and 1, so 1 is divided 2 and 2 are balanced, so write 2 Ag and this reaction is balanced. And third we write third B, aluminum chloride, aluminum plus copper chloride CuCl and form aluminum chloride AlCl3, aluminum chloride AlCl3 and copper, so balanced. Chlorine is 3, so chlorine is 3 and copper is 3, this reaction is balanced, and right. And last reactions, barium chloride, potassium sulfate, potassium chloride. First of all we write in carefully and write its chemical formula. Barium chloride, D of BaCl2, barium chloride formula BaCl2 plus potassium sulfate K2SO4, its formula, and barium sulfate BaSO4 and potassium chloride KCl. Potassium chloride formula is KCl and barium sulfate formula BaSO4. So potassium is left hand side, potassium is 2 and right hand side potassium is 1. So write KCl before 2 because potassium is 2 and chlorine is 2, and barium is 1, sulfate is 1. This is balanced. And we study exercise question number 8. We read carefully, write the balanced chemical equations for the following and type of reaction in each case. first reactions. First reaction, potassium bromide, aqueous condition, barium iodide, aqueous condition, and product form potassium iodide, aqueous condition, and barium bromide. So first we solve potassium bromide. Potassium bromide formula we write. Potassium bromide KBr. Potassium bromide formula KBr, and barium iodide BaI2, and potassium iodide Ki, and barium iodide BaI2. So check and balance. Potassium is 2, barium, potassium iodide and barium bromide. Potassium iodide and barium bromide. Potassium iodide and barium bromide Br. So right, bromide. Potassium is 2, barium is 1, bromine is 2, iodine is 2, so this is balanced. And its reactions name displacements, double displacement reactions. And next we study B. Second, B. Zinc carbonate formula ZnCO3 and zinc oxide and carbon dioxide CO2. Carbon dioxide formula CO2 and zinc oxide formula ZnO. Zinc is 1, C is carbon is 1, oxygen is 3, 2 and 3. So it's balanced. And other examples, C, we write C, hydrogen and chlorine, S2 and chlorine to form 2HCl. This is balanced. Next, magnesium and hydrochloric acid, D. Magnesium and hydrochloric acid to form, and magnesium chloride, MgCl2 and S2. So magnesium is 1, hydrogen is 2, chlorine is 2. In gas condition, this is solved. I hope that